Look at that. Look. Dogs, 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 dogs. Now look here. See that? Yeah, that looks funny, but in reality it's very sad. Yeah. At least 200 meters uh, on the beach, at least 10 couples and men and women, all with dogs. Yes. 30, 40 years ago, every couple would have 2, 3, 4 children. Huh? The only couple, or there was one man from India, 200 meters from here. This was the first person I saw here on the beach. He had 2 little girls, and the rest are all German, Spanish, yeah, Western Europeans, all dogs, all with dogs, bringing the dogs to walk. You know, no one has children, not one fucking child. Yeah, that's what they want. You know, extermination of the white race, yeah, of the white Western Europeans. Hey, chupete, este es un perro chupete. Este perro chupete, ven. Hey, cheers, cheers. He don't listen, nothing. He's crazy now. Look. Hey, chupete, chupete, ven. Crazy dog.